I'm Ryder. What's your name, little guy?
My name's Rebel.
Sounds like you're a...
I'm starving.
Me too.
The van. Excuse me. My tummy's kind of worried. Mr. Porter. Excuse me, but my tummy just wanted to say thank you.
Chalet for the best pizza party ever.
Tummy, this is it. We're reporting for duty.
Yay, woohoo! Yip, yip.
I never thought there was any such thing as a ghost anyway. Ah! Ghost! Actually, that's my belly. I never did have lunch. Why would I like to chew on that? So, Tummy, what do you think? Liver bites? Sausage nuggets? Pepperoni chews? Pepperoni chews. Ready for action, Ryder, sir. To start dinner.
I hear you, Rubble. And your tummy.
Any other ideas? Sorry. I think better when I've had a treat. Rubble, that's a great...
But what? Excuse me. Playing in the snow gives me a big...
Now that all the monkeys are unbubbled, can we start our jungle carry? I wonder what's in it. Maybe it's something really cool. Or something really yummy.
Breakfast time, pups!
That pup book, we can make apple pie, applesauce, apple pizza. And I can make myself really...
Fogged by the smell of food. Listen to its hungry growl.
Whoa! I thought that sounded familiar.
Get a scrumptious slice of blueberry pie.
Oh, sounds like my tummy's in character already.
Good, because it's
Without him. Ooh, neither does my tummy.
welcome.
Wow, that's awesome! Oh, I think my tummy's more fired up than we are. I know, Tummy, but duty calls. Duty calls.